Hi there. Welcome to Master of Advanced Engineering Preview by Monash University, Malaysia. Now, before we introduce our MAE, that is Master of Advanced Engineering program, we would like to talk about who we are. Now, Monash University was established in Melbourne, Australia in 1958. Named after engineer, military leader, and public administrator Sir John Monash. We have 4 campuses throughout Victoria, Melbourne, an international campus in Malaysia, and centers in China, Italy, and India. It's a friendly university no matter which campus you attend. Our motto, Ancaro Imparo, I am still learning, reminds us that the search for knowledge never ends. Monash University is also ranked 58th in the QS 2020 World University Ranking. So we are very global, present in 3 continents of the world. Monash University Malaysia is the 3rd largest campus of the Mother Monash University campus, a premier research intensive Australian university which is ranked among the top 1% universities in the world. And of course, we are in the top 100 universities in the world. We are the first foreign university campus in Malaysia, and we have just successfully completed 20 years of our presence in Malaysia. We have acquired self-accrediting status from Malaysian Qualification Agency, and we are rated 6 star by Ministry of Higher Education, Malaysia. We apply same rigorous standards as Monash Australian campus, and you will get the same degree after graduating in Malaysia. This degree is internationally recognized. We provide a quality education which you will learn from research active and very friendly academic staff with strong industrial connection. We have inter-campus mobility in which the student can go and transfer in any one of the Monash University campus after at least completing 1 year at Monash University, Malaysia. You will get value for your money because the tuition fees and living expenses are significantly lower in Malaysia than studying and living in Australia, US or UK. Of course, we have a very effortless admission, a simplified admission process, payment and visa procedure. And we have some generous scholarships also available with some conditions. We have great student life with a diverse student body, a multicultural student population, and we are very much situated in the heart of the Southeast Asia, in the proximity with the countries of the Indian subcontinent and all other Asian countries and regions. We also, our students have excellent employment and career prospects after graduation, and we have a strong global alumni network of more than 375,000 plus Monash alumni living in 155 countries around the world. We are a youthful organization, enthusiastic, optimistic, and accessible. We believe in quality education and research that can change the world for the better. Our campus offers a distinctly international and culturally rich environment with approximately 8,400 plus students from 78 different countries. With the student to academic staff ratio of 22:1. We have 900 plus staff on the Malaysian campus from 36 countries. 83% of our academic staff hold a doctoral PhD degree, and 36% of our academic staff are expatriates or international staff. Now, about 16,800 plus has been graduated from Monash University, Malaysia. Courses at Monash, Malaysia are accredited by Board of Engineers Malaysia as well as by Engineers Australia. So, this ensures a flexible and supported education that is locally relevant and internationally accepted. We have 7 schools and several multidisciplinary research platforms, and most of our schools are within the top 100 ranking in the respective specialized field. For example, our pharmacy and pharmacology school is ranked 3rd in the world after Harvard and other universities. Similarly, our other schools are highly ranked within the top 50 in their respective field. Our goal is excellence and internationalization in research and education, enterprise by partnership with industry, government, private and other organizations, and inclusive in our students and staff diversity and their talent. So let's talk about some interesting story here about the Bill Gates. When he was asked a question that which industry will produce next Bill Gates. So let's see what he answered about this question.
My name is Kayla Gaysina, and I was born in Russia, and I'm now a second-year student at Columbia Business School. My question is for Mr. Gates. What industry do you think is going to produce the next Bill Gates? Because that's the industry I want to get a job in.
Industries do have different paces of innovation, and so the IT industry, driven by the magic of software, the magic of the optic fiber, magic of the chip, which doubles in power every couple of years, it's been the industry that has not only been the most exciting, it's also changed the rules for many other industries. The idea of information being available, what the online world is like, that's incredible. I'd say there are a few other industries that will compete for being exciting in the decades ahead. The energy business, some approach will provide cheaper energy that's environmentally friendly. And there's a lot of science, a lot of business. It's a global thing. There'll be some great careers there.
So that's what we heard from Mr. Bill Gates, who is one of the richest person in the world. So he's now talking about the energy business. And we have to understand today that the energy is in the top 10 problems of the world and will remain there because we all need energy. Okay. So, excited about this? Let's see that what we can offer you from our Master of Advanced Engineering program. So, the Master of Advanced Engineering, MAE, is designed for working engineers and graduate students. with an ambition to lead in sustainable energy development field. This course or program has been tailored, designed, and specialized in energy and sustainability that is aligned with the global and local Malaysian key priorities areas. Again, this program is very multidisciplinary, involving some different disciplines, for example, chemical engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, science, and some other also schools, which involves innovative thinking to build an entrepreneurship and leadership qualities. We also believe in quality education to advance your career to a variety of pathways, in which one of is to pursue a PhD after completing this master's degree. We do have flexibility in our program, that is to choose full-time or part-time study. As a part-time student, you will also have access to the same resources as the full-time peers or students. We do also provide some generous scholarship to our MAE enrolled students, a partial tuition fee waiver, depending on the condition applied. So, at the end of the MAE program, what is being expected? The main aim is to acquire an advanced understanding in energy and sustainability. However, specifically, you will be able to apply the advanced knowledge in energy and sustainability to solve the complex problems, design engineering solutions, and potential designs to identify optimal solutions. You will also acquire research skills which can help you to investigate and critically appraise the development and research direction. You will be also be able to uphold the code of ethics and professionalism through communication with the industry and wider community. You will be able to acquire skills like teamwork and leadership skills, and also you will get an opportunity to use the modern engineering tools to systematically manage systems and progress the knowledge. At last, you will be able to use the energy and sustainability techniques into the engineering work project, including business planning and financial management at the end of the graduation. Now let's talk about the course structure. How does the MAE program look like? Of course, you will have to complete 8 units that will be equal to 48 credit points, and we have some core units, for example, advanced engineering and data analysis, engineering entrepreneurship, and research methods. We have some major units: energy efficiency and sustainability engineering, sustainable energy technologies, which involves all the renewable energies and clean energies. We have green building. We have another unit called as principles and practices for sustainable development. And recently, we have also developed a new course or unit known as industrial ecology, which will be implemented in the next year. We have some elective units which you can choose from, that is environmental and air pollution control as well as smart grids. The MAE can be undertaken over 1 year full-time or 2 years part-time and is fully course-based program. The classes are held on evenings, in evening time, on weekdays and Saturday morning. Of course, the intake, there are 2 admission intakes, one in February and other in July. This course also leads to the research pathway as mentioned earlier. Please note that the part-time study is not available for international students according to the Malaysian immigration rules. How to get admission in MAE program? There are some entry requirements that need to be fulfilled, and for MAE program, one can take admission based on 4 years engineering degree or 3 years engineering degree. Of course, the criteria are different for 4 years engineering degree and 3 years engineering degree. For 4-year engineering degree, one must need 70% average or equivalent from a recognized tertiary institution, or 65% average or equivalent and 5 years of working experience. They should submit a curriculum vitae, detail and a 300-word statement of purpose, and maybe a phone interview is required. For 3 years engineering degree, one may need 70% average from a recognized tertiary institution and 2 years working experience. Of course, with CV, statement of purpose and maybe phone interview may be required. In addition to this, one must also fulfill the English language requirement as per the Monash University, and we have few options available. One is Monash English Bridging, IELTS exam with overall band score of 6.5 and no band less than 6, internet-based TOEFL, total score of 79 with 12 in listening, 13 in reading, 21 in writing and 18 in speaking. You can also go for certified paper-based TOEFL with a total score of 550 with TWE of 4.5. We have another few options available for English language requirement. However, one should note that the above any test, English language test, must be taken within 24 months prior to the course commencement date. After graduating from this MAE program, you have variety of career paths such as green energy expert, where you can apply for in construction industries, where green buildings, they require green energy experts, as well as some industries, they also need green energy experts. Another path is energy manager. For example, in some industries, there are some rules and regulations that if their electricity consumption is higher than certain amount kilowatt hour, then this industry or organization or institution must have energy manager. Now, energy manager is a certified course. For this, you have to sit for an exam which is usually conducted by respective government or agencies. This MAE course may help you to go to that level for the Certified Energy Manager exam. But some of the contents of the course or the unit are tailored or designed to help to bring you to that career path or certified qualified energy manager or other certification courses. Of course, you have another choice or variety of a consultant where you can become an advisor or consultant engineer for various industries or projects. Another career path is policy analyst, in which the engineer has to draft the policies regarding the framework or the roadmap for the energy. This policy analyst usually works either in the industry or government or any other private sector. Of course, there's also another pathway for project manager, in which you can work as a general project manager in most of the institution or organization. So, most of the graduates can find their jobs or prospect or career path either in government or in industry. They can be small scale, big scale or multinational scale industries. Now, you will be surprised that most of the oil and gas, petroleum industries, a big giant or multinational industries like Shell, British Petroleum, ExxonMobil, and few other industries such as Petronas from Malaysia are investing hugely on the renewable energy business. And this is the right path or right program through which one can acquire the skills and knowledge to apply for such industry. And also one can apply as a academia or faculty in the academics or universities to teach the students to do the research in this area of the energy and sustainability. And moreover, one can also start up their own business in renewable energy or clean energy and sustainability business. We will strive to develop highly knowledgeable, well-skilled, flexible and globally engaged students through the provision of excellent and relevant learning and teaching. We absolutely believe in active learning and teaching. Our emphasis is employing flexible, learner-centered initiatives where the students are focused, is a student-focused teaching and learning to enhance their learning engagement and create impact. Our priorities are future-focused education, enabling social mobility and inclusion, upholding indigenous knowledge and peoples, incorporating rich experiences achieved through flexible and innovative learning and teaching. Of course, there are a lot of hands-on and experiential-based learning. You can see from this photo that during the class session, how the students are engaged, not only to learn the theory, but how to apply and develop a small case or develop and design a small project. Our students really enjoy this hands-on, and they have given a very positive feedback on this type of learning, where they can, after graduating, they get hands-on skill where they can develop their own system based on what they have learned from this program. The very interesting part of this program is we highly encourage industrial visits, that is also known as field trips, that involve visit to the industries or the community partners. Now, the power of such field trips enables to integrate theory with the practice of work, develop greater motivation to learn for the student, and they connect between the business management and sustainability. They learn outside the classroom, and you can see during our MAE course, we have taken the students to the electric bus depot where they have learned how the transport sector is being changed now to electric vehicles. And they can feel and they can learn how the electric bus depot is being run, how they are being charged, what is the charging station, how much kilowatt hour charge is required to run the buses, and so on. The students were also taken to visit the solar PV photovoltaic plant, where they got a real-time experience to see and explore the real functioning of the solar PV plant. So by this way, the students, they highly get motivated and they try to connect the dots, whatever they have learned in the class, with the outside real world examples. So thank you very much for watching this video, and you can be one to achieve the degree award from a prestigious Monash University. So find out more at monash.edu.my, or we also have our own Facebook, as well as we are on Twitter. So bye for now, and see you at Monash University, Malaysia. Thank you and bye.